Welcome to the lecture series of Laplace transform. Today we are going to see some basic result under Laplace transform. Look at the question. Prove that L of cos AT equal to S by S square plus A square. The second one is L of sin AT equal to A by S square plus A square. And the last one is L of K equal to K by S. So these are the three results we are going to prove now. Look at the proof. First we will take the first one's left hand side, L of cos AT. Applying the definition of Laplace transform, integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t. F of t is nothing but cos AT into dt. E power I theta we can write cos theta plus I sin theta. E power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. In this one, cos theta is always a real part, sin is a imaginary part. So instead of writing cos AT, we can write this as real part of integral 0 to infinity e power minus st e power I AT dt. Now look at this integration alone. This is of the form integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Okay, so if it is the case, we can write L of e power IAT. So applying the definition of Laplace transform, this is equal to real part of, this is nothing but what? Laplace transform of e power IAT. Okay, because integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So that is nothing but what? Laplace transform definition. So that is equal to L of e power IAT. We know the result for L of e power IAT. That is our first video lecture under this topic. So L of e power IAT result is real part of L of e power IAT, that is nothing but 1 by, here it is plus means the result is minus. So S minus IA. Okay, so in this case always if we are having the terms like this in the denominator, what we used to do, we are going to multiplying and dividing by the conjugation. Okay, so here we have applied the result of L of e power IAT. L of e power IAT result is 1 by S minus IA. That is the result here we have applied. Okay, so real part of 1 by S minus IA multiplying dividing by the conjugation. Conjugation of S minus IA. S minus IA conjugation is S plus IA. Okay, so that is equal to real part of S plus IA divided by, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B, that is S minus IA into S plus IA. So what is the result? A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So this is equal to real part of S plus IA divided by A square minus B square. Here A is S, so S square minus B square, that is B is IA the whole square. That is equal to real part of S plus IA divided by S square. We know the value for I square equal to minus 1, already one minus is there, so minus into minus plus, so plus A square. Now we have to take the real part only of this, because we have written this real part of this term. So what is the real part in this one? Without imaginary part, that is the real part. So the answer is only S by, so the answer is S by S square plus A square. What is our left hand side? Left hand side is L of cos AT. So L of cos AT, the answer is S by S square plus A square. By the same manner we have to prove the result for sin AT. Sin is nothing but what? Sin is nothing but imaginary part. Okay, so instead of writing like this, we have to write it as imaginary part of, what is the imaginary part in this one? A by. So obviously the sin result is A by S square plus A square. So instead of writing like the real part, if you are proving for imaginary part, we can get the result. Now the second result is L of sin AT. So applying the definition of Laplace transform, integral 0 to infinity e power minus st sin AT dt. Okay, sin is nothing but imaginary part. So this can be written as imaginary part of integral 0 to infinity e power minus st e power IAT into dt. So that is nothing but imaginary part of definition of e power IAT. That is imaginary part of 1 by S minus IA. Multiplying dividing by the conjugation S plus IA divided by s square plus a square. So imaginary part is nothing but what? A by. So the answer is a by s square plus a square. Therefore, L of sin AT equal to a by s square plus a square. Now the third result, Laplace transform of a constant. Okay, applying the definition of Laplace transform, e power minus st into k dt. K is a constant we can take outside. So integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into dt. Integration of e power minus st is e power minus st divided by minus s with the limit 0 to infinity. Upper limit minus lower limit. So k into e power minus infinity by minus s minus lower limit is 0 divided by minus s. E power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is 1. So 0 by anything 0. So the first term will become as 0, minus into minus plus, e power 0 is 1. So 1 by s. So the answer is k by s. Therefore, L of k equal to k by s. This is the answer for the third result. So based on this, we can do the very basic results. So the example, L of cos 100t equal to, we know the result of L of cos 80. Cos 80 result is s by. So instead of a, here we are having 100. So L of cos 100t equal to, what is the result? Result is s by s square plus a square. A is 100. So the answer is s by s square plus. Same manner, we can find the result for sin. What is the sin 80 result? Sin 80 result is a by. So for example, find L of sin 70. Okay. So L of sin 80, we know the answer. Okay. So based on that result, a by. So here a is equal to what? A is equal to 7. So based on that, the result is a by. So 7 by s square plus a square. That means 7 by s square plus 49. Okay. Instead of k, if you are taking any number, that is find L of 2. For example, if the question is find L of 2, means what we have to do? 2 by s, because the result is k by s. So instead of k, here we are having 2, that means 2 by s. Or find L of root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. That means root 3 by 2 is a constant you can take outside. So the result is 1 by s. Likewise, we can do the basic results. Okay. Thank you for watching.